Welcome to our how-to videos on the Iowa Falls State Bank app. Let's start with a basic transfer from an Iowa Falls State Bank savings account to an Iowa Falls State Bank checking account. Once you're logged in and can see your listing of accounts, click on the three lines or hamburger menu in the upper left-hand corner, or choose the Transfers option at the bottom of the screen. Under More Money, you'll see a Transfers link. Click on that. Below is a list of past transfers that you have done. You can click on those and get information, or refer to the memo that you filled in. Select the From account. It will display all accounts that you are a signer on to select. Select the To account. Again, same thing as From account. The amount, the date, the frequency will fill in automatically one time. If you select weekly, every 2 weeks, monthly, or another option, it will have you select your recurrence or when you would like the transfer to end. And then you can add a memo. Then click the blue Submit box on the bottom. Click OK on Transfer Executed Successfully. Since we are a real-time bank, you will notice the transfer was done and reflects on your account balances instantly. Once a transfer is complete, you will be directed to the home screen to enjoy another feature of our powerful mobile banking app at Iowa Falls State Bank. Thank you for watching.